CLEO's made a big sort of evolution in the last year. We're really trying to talk more about some of the applications of these basic devices and science that's going on in CLEO. So the A&T program is really highlighting a lot of these things. Some examples are advances in UV LEDs. You have compact, cheap devices that are delivering UV light that can be used for things like purification, killing bacteria.
Actually, this is especially I'm very excited by the new CLEO application and technology. So this is a new session. So from CLEO, you have the fundamental science, QLES, and CLEO science and innovation. Right now we have application and technology, and also have CLEO marketplace. So it's kind of like all in one. So you can see a technology from most fundamental concept-wise to a prototype, a new technology, and bring to the application and then to the market and product. So you will see all different phase and different kind of research and technology. So I think it's interest for both, kind of people, and actually it's benefit for those two fields and crossover. So the interdisciplinary kind of talk is very stimulating. So for the people doing fundamental research, it will be good for them to get idea like what kind of technology they can be applied, and also for application, it's good for them to see what's a new technique or new theory out there. So it will be facilitated. So I think that's a very good aspect, actually very unique feature of CLEO.
This is kind of an interesting point, and I guess it kind of gets at the question of what's really the value in the CLEO A&T versus CLEO S&I, and is there really a reason to have these conferences co-located? And the answer is definitely yes. The fact is that people in S&I, like myself, I came out of S&I originally, we understand the science behind what we do, but it's always nice to see some of the applications and some of the more technology. Where is this going? What are people doing with it in the field? Meanwhile, the people who are the A&T type folks get the benefit from the S&I type folks from seeing, okay, what's the fundamental science behind this, and how can we maybe learn something from that that'll help us optimize our processing and things like that. So I think it actually is very useful for the S&I folks to come to the A&T type talks, and vice versa.
I think the applications are an early stage. What I think distinguishes them, as you might expect from the regular, more traditional CLEO papers, is really that the emphasis is on the application. The application itself may still be being tested, but it's not a test of the laser source. It's not a test of the detector or something like that. It's really, hey, here's a really interesting problem we may be able to solve with this combination of technology that's already been reported, already maybe even on sale in some cases. But the application itself is still, I think, at the test phase, so it still has that innovative edge to it.